So these are the new track belts. This one on top is a blank. It's 17 foot long. And I have one underneath it that I already made. Already punched the holes in this one. Kind of hard to see. There. Now you can see them. But that's how you make your own. I made a template. That goes on the belts. For drilling holes. I can only do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes at a time. And then after I drill 6 holes, I move it down 6 holes and then run a bolt through this hole into the rubber belt so it holds it there. And then put a clamp on the other end. And that's my template. These are 6 inches on center. It's my first belt. I'm going to make sure it fits that before I go drilling the other. But I'm pretty confident it's going to fit. It worked out to be 16 foot long, so it's going to work.